In the next question, for the given signal, we have to find out power of first harmonic. Now, signal xt is an example of hidden odd symmetric signal. So, this signal is having hidden odd symmetricity, and if this signal is having hidden odd symmetricity, therefore extension of xt will have DC and sine terms, DC and sine terms only. Now, if we are going to write down a rough expansion of signal xt, then it will be like this: A naught plus B1 sine omega naught t plus B2 sine 2 omega naught t, and so on. Now, here only fundamental harmonic term or a first harmonic term is available as B1 sine omega naught t. So, first of all we have to calculate B1, because if we will calculate B1, then power of first harmonic will be equal to mod B1 whole square divided by 2. So, first of all we have to calculate value B1, and so to calculate B1, first of all we will write down the formula for Bn. Bn is given by this formula: 2 upon T naught integration 0 to T naught xt into sine n omega naught t dt. Now, in this formula we will put n equals to 1. If we will put n equals to 1, then V1 will be equal to 2 upon T naught integration 0 to T naught xt into sine omega naught t dt. Now, by observing the waveform, we can obtain time period. Time period of signal is 1, and if time period is 1, then value of omega naught by using this formula will be equal to 2 pi. So, we can write down in this way: 2 upon time period is 1 integration 0 to time period of this signal is 1. Now, in the range 0 to 1, value of or function of this equation of signal xt is t. So, in the range 0 to 1, equation of this signal xt is t, and we have to write down equation of signal. So, function equation will be t, and it will multiply with sine omega naught t, where omega naught is 2 pi. Now, by using integration by part, we will obtain B1 equals to minus 1 by pi. Now, to calculate power, we will use this relationship. So, it will be like this: 1 upon pi whole square divided by 2. If we will solve this relationship, then result will be 50.66 into 10 ki power minus 3.